I have just arrived at Black Rose in Chambersburg. I'm excited. It's been a long time since I've been here. They usually have pretty great prices, a couple of the vendors, so I'm hoping to find some good stuff and stock up on. Whoa, look at the fish. $38.95. These are kind of cool. What is this? Oh, it's got a crack. I was gonna say that is really pretty, even though it's probably new. Yeah, I'm gonna try and my goal today is to find some random stuff that I might not normally pick up at this booth because the prices are so reasonable. And it's been a long time since I've been here, so I would think a lot has changed. Not sure about that though. About the Fitz and Floyd. It's kind of cool though, but not for me. A little toothpick holder. It's that bisque material. Steins, marbles, reproduction, cast iron, coffee grinders. So far nothing that's really up my alley. What about over here? It's got the little glass section. Again, it looks kind of like a lot of newer stuff or stuff that I'm just literally have no interest in. Dang, I usually find at least one thing up there. All the milk glass. Oh, the birds. What about these? Those aren't very new, even though they're very cheap. And the milk glass, the white, doesn't really sell that well, honestly, at least not for me. I mean, but this is only $1.25 and 20% off, so I feel weird leaving this kind of fun glass ashtray behind for that price. Oh, it's got a big chip, though. Oh, it's that Italian stone fruit. It's kind of cool. Let's see what's happening here. Basket. Alabaster, $30. That's not a bad price at all, but it looks like a couple of them might be like missing leaves or something. I'm not sure how well this would sell for me. I think it might be a little too far out of my comfort zone. And then this is pretty, but it looks new. Yeah, JCPenney. All right, well, strike out there. There's a random marigold glass deer jar here. Why? Oh, it's got a broken ear. That's why. I saw one of these at Old Glory. Oh my gosh. I saw one of these at Old Glory earlier today and I didn't get it. I kind of regret not getting it. That one's even more expensive than the one at Old Glory. This one's quite pretty, the cherry blossoms. And then we got the toaster salt and pepper shaker, $9. Let's see, how's the condition? They're all right. They're a little worn though. I've had them so many, and the bottom one's missing. It's missing the bottom. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pass on that too. Yeah, I'm a little surprised, honestly. What about this? This is pretty. It's only $4. It's so cheap. But again, it's got damage on it. Dang. I'm a little surprised, honestly. I don't know why I felt like I was just gonna walk in here and clean up. But that is really not the case today. A random Royal Copley deer, $11. Why is that still here? It's got a little nick right there, but that looks more like a manufacturing. Royal Copley fawn, $11, 20%. I guess I kind of think it's not enough to excite me that much. The last one I had of those took a while to sell, surprisingly. I'm in my favorite poodle booth here. It looks like it's more or less the same as what was here the last time, surprisingly. And this is the Lodro poodle. That's kind of neat. Never seen Lodro poodles. She's missing her umbrella, unfortunately. Plot twist. What's going on down here with the tea bag holders? Handle with care. Okay, but how much are you? Oh, that's obnoxious. No wonder handle with care. There it is, $29. Unfortunately, I can't really do much with that. And then I noticed this taco, what is it called? I can't remember what it's called, the Takahari. I'm having a moment. The vase, $12. That's really not a bad price, but it's a little bit more than I'd like to spend on that, especially because I've had it before. Wow, they got some fun stuff in this booth. And there's that cat print. That's so cute. I passed up on that last time. It was a little close for me. This vase is really pretty. It's probably pretty close to retail. $35. Yeah, that's a little close for me. The other thing that caught my attention are this coaster set over here. This is really unique. $20. They are stone. Those are very cool. This booth is running 50% off. Definitely worth stopping to check out and remember their prices as being reasonable. This is not something. 15. Yeah, the last one I got was all chipped up and I didn't realize it. I was so blown when I got home. It looks like it's mostly newer stuff or stuff that I just don't have much interest in. Yeah, I'm not really seeing it in here today. Oh, but they have like a random little Lefton creamer. It's not the best selling one though, even though it's only $5. That's a super fair price, but I'm gonna pass on it. Somebody will be excited to see that. Now this booth has some great stuff, but it's mostly retail prices, like the little Joseph Originals rubber elf. Some of the ceramic Joseph Original ones sell for crazy amounts. That's really pretty. This, oh my gosh, I love this pink opalescent. $33 though. I can't really do anything with that. Yeah, even though I'm not the biggest glass person, I love this coin dot pattern. Random box of roaches. The zebra's kind of fun. They got a poodle one. That's fun. $8. That's a little bit more than I'd like to spend. This figurine is quite adorable. Girl with flowers, $1. Well, that's definitely older. What's wrong with her? She's got like a chip pedal there in here, actually. That stinks. She is cute. Are these candle holders? These are kind of different. Toothpick holders. Very different. Kind of like those. So, looks like they have some more salt and pepper shakers here. These are incorrect as a set, I'm pretty sure. They're kind of interesting though. I think these are supposed to be hanging on something. And the pipe stand, that's kind of cool. Are these the ones with the pearls? Oh, these are awesome. I think this is such a fun set. Do they have a discount in this booth? 20%. I think I'm gonna go ahead and get this one with the pearl oyster. That's really neat. Yeah, I don't think I've ever actually had this one either. It's always a little too close to retail when I find it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. And what is happening here? Lighter salt and pepper shakers. Those are really neat. Saltimas? That's interesting. I'm not sure what's going on there. Artist palette. $6. This is a neat one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up too. I've never seen this. That's cool. Yeah, we'll grab these. And I kind of like the Cowboy Vegas salt and pepper shakers too. I've had this set before. I've had the mug before. I've never had the, I don't know if this would sell very well the way it is. Yeah, this is a really cool set. How much was this? $6 for 20% off. I might as well grab those too. So let's see what I got. Ooh, I feel like I saw a pair of these a while ago and a viewer commented that these were a really neat set, and I completely missed them when I saw them the first time. But these are very cool for $4. I'm gonna go ahead and pick these up. Thanks for the tip on these guys. I definitely wouldn't have noticed them the second time if you hadn't said anything. Whoa, wait a minute. What are these prices gonna be like? $42. Dang, dude. Killing me. Well, that's about what that sold for me too, except mine included US shipping, so I'm not sure about that. And then the Lefton Valentine's Day vase, $26. That's definitely steep. I'm nervous to even, I was really excited when I saw the little Irish girl over here, but now I'm kind of like, yeah, $28. Can't do anything with that. Here's those shopper girls again. Oh, they're so fantastic. 45 firm, 35 firm. Yeah, that's about what I would get for those after fees, unfortunately. That's a shame. I hate seeing them sit around at an antique mall. I think they're so fun. And these ones are in really good condition too. Normally the paint's all funky. Ah! Oh my gosh, let me not break it. That would be the last thing I need. And I'm seeing a random set of the little deer figurines. $20, that's definitely steep. Okay, but also look at this bear. I kind of love him. I have found some really neat stuff in this booth. This isn't usually my thing, but it kind of caught my attention, honestly. It looks a little bit on the newer side, and those planters are newer. They're based on the ones in Japan. They look like Taiwan, though, and they're a little pricey for me. I don't spend that much on those unless it's one of the high-selling ones. What is going on here, though? This is very cool. 1993. It's definitely neat, though. What's going on with their salt and pepper shakers over here? The grandma set, the grandma and grandpa set, I don't usually mess with those. They don't sell for that well for me. And the praying kids, too. I've not had much luck with those. These little Hong Kong ones are pretty neat. $8. Is there a discount in this booth? 20%. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab those. Those are just really fun. And the birds are nice, but I'm a little underwhelmed by them. Ooh, this person has changed their entire display. Now, they definitely have prices that are on the higher side, but they have some gems in here, so I'm not gonna discredit. I'm gonna go through this carefully. Oh my God, that kid. Let's see. What about the bisque? $30 each. Yeah, that's definitely a little steep for me. And the music box is fantastic, but again at $55. All right. Well, if you don't, oh, look at this bunny. Oh, I think it's a puppet. I definitely don't buy puppets. I've not had any luck with puppets whatsoever. This vendor has some really unique stuff too. Even though a lot of it's not really my style, I can still appreciate it. Like this fish is pretty neat. Whoa! Flocked. How fantastic. All right, how much is this gonna cost? $9? Are you serious? That's amazing. I love it, and it's in great condition. Normally these are pretty rough, and I've never seen this one in this size. That's spectacular. That's coming with me. Now, what about this? Oh my gosh, look at how stinking cute that is. $8. Oh my God, and it's got the little fuzzy tail. He's got that damage on his chest there. The pig is a little strange. What about that? Oh, an owl. I've never even seen an owl one. $9. Well, that's definitely coming with me. This one is, you know what? I think we can forgive it for its little bit of damage, right? It's just a little damage. I think he's pretty special. I'm gonna grab it anyway. Yeah, this vendor has such fantastic stuff. This is like the one that is on the other side where I normally buy a lot of stuff. What about the pig? How much is the pig? $7. Should we get him? I don't know. I feel like he wouldn't sell that well. I could be mistaken. And I would get the lion, but I've had the lion one before, and it did take a while to sell. And even though I'm not, is this Lennox? I'm not a Lennox person, but yeah, it is. But it's Halloween themed. Huh. Okay, but also how stinking cute are these? I don't think those would sell very well, but I think they're adorable. I love their expressions. Ooh, we've got a random garlic down here. $4.99? What? What's wrong with it? Why is it so cheap? These are usually so pricey. Oh, it's because it's made in China. It's a reproduction. That's a really good reason to be $4.99. Whoops. All right, well, I was about to get to their other booth, and then I noticed, oh my gosh, how stinking cute, and it's Norcrest. That's what I thought. Wow, this is probably gonna sell for really good money. It's only $11. I am definitely scooping that. I have never even seen this before. That Norcrest rabbit or Easter stuff usually sells for big bucks, honestly. Ooh, I think this got me last time, actually, now that I'm looking at it. $6.95. Yeah, I feel like I almost picked this up and I realized there was something wrong with it. What was wrong with it? Of course, it's got the chips on the flour, unfortunately. Wait, what? Space jumping shoes? How freaking cool are those? Wow. $55. These are awesome. I feel like that's gonna be the new thing. Wait, just wait. They're gonna come up with this is gonna be like the next thing to be brought back from the past. So I spent $64 in there and I got a whole rack of stuff. I thought I was gonna leave empty-handed there for a second. So I'm gonna hop back in the car and I'm gonna keep going. So I'll see you guys when I get to my next stop.